Hi, today I'm making farfalle pasta and chicken alla vodka. And so the sauce, you can make that sauce from scratch. It takes a little longer, but this is a weeknight meal. So we're just using the wonderful Prego creamy vodka sauce, a half a clove of garlic, green onions, and chicken thigh fillets. I have my staple of seasonings here, the onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, the 2 bouillon cubes, and salt for the water for the noodles. As I'm sure you've seen me do plenty of times, I've added a little olive oil to that. And while that's boiling, I'm actually going to cut up my garlic and my chicken and begin to saute that in about I don't know, 2 tablespoons of oil. And you want to just make sure that I mix the garlic in with the chicken so that it can season the chicken well. I'm adding pepper to my taste, as well as the other seasonings are to taste. The Italian seasoning, the garlic powder, and then the onion powder as well. The noodles, I've poured in 1.5 to 2 cups of raw pasta noodles into the water while I'm sauteing the chicken. So this is happening simultaneously. So this can be a fast meal. This is really a 25-minute meal. I'm chopping up my green onions. I have 2 full green onions that I've chopped up, and I'm going to add half of that to the chicken while it's sauteing. And I'm going to take the other half and set it aside. Next, I'm adding my cream-based sauce to the chicken, and so just letting that simmer and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, my pasta is ready to go, so I'm draining it and then adding that pasta to the sauce and mixing well. I'm going to take those fresh green onions that I set aside and add that to the pasta. It freshens the dish and it's ready to serve. It's great for lunch or dinner.